All right, you're welcome. This is the first video I'm creating for the year 2026. And this video is about my channel report, okay? 2025 channel report. I'm going to give you a report on how much I earned in the year 2025 from YouTube ads, as well as the total number of views I got in that year and the subscribers count, as well as other important information. So at the end, I will give you take home. All right, what you need to know. I have opened my web browser and let's visit studio.youtube.com to see the analytics. Okay, I am on my studio dashboard right now. So let's begin. I'll click on analytics. And on this analytics page, the first area we are going to focus on is on the views. Okay, I am on the views section. So I'll click on see more. All right. So on this see more page, I will click this drop down and I will select 2025. This has given me some information, all right? And you can see a lot of things here. The first thing is that in the year 2025, I had 3,520,920 views. That's approximately 3.5 million views in the year 2025. So it's a lot. But don't conclude yet because we are still going to filter this down because most of these views came from my YouTube shorts. Then the total watch hour was 32,491.1. All right, watch hours. Are you getting that? That's, let's say, 32,500 views. All right, 500 watch hours. Sorry. Then the subscribers count. In the year 2025, I got 3,043 subscribers. That's a lot, more than times two of how much I got in the year 2024. Currently, my total subscribers on this channel is about 5,000. So, but you can see 3,000 of them came in the year 2025. Okay, then let's go to impression. In the year 2025, I got impression of 18,749,418. What this means is that about 18 million people were shown my thumbnail, but out of that 18 million, only 3.5 million clicked and watched my videos. All right. So that is that, but let's filter down on some things. That means let's find out the number of long form video views and the number of shorts. Okay. So I'll click on this content. So from this, I'll drop down. I will look for content type. Look at it here. I'll select this option. And look at now the breakdown. All right. Look at the breakdown here. What this has shown us here is that shorts got 3,095,000 views and 570. All right, that's approximately 3.1 million views came from YouTube Shorts. Okay, which does not make much money. And videos, the long form videos I have on my channel gave me views of 425,361. So YouTube Shorts accounts to 87.9% of the views that I got on my channel. I got in my channel in the year 2025. Our live stream got only 10 views. I think I did only 2 live streams or so on this channel. So that is about the views, that is about the subscribers count, and that is about the watch hours. Let's get to the other section to see the money made on my channel in the year 2025. So I'll close this. Then I'm returned to this place. I will then click on the revenue tab. Now that I'm in the revenue tab, I will click on see more. Okay, this page has opened. So I will click on this here where you have last 28 days and I will select 2025. So from this data here, you can see that in the year 2025, this my YouTube channel earned 1 million. Sorry. Okay, from this report here, you can see that in the year 2025, this my YouTube channel earned $1,675.70. If you are watching this from United States, it may be a little money for you. But as somebody that's in Nigeria, let's do the calculation and see how much this is in Naira. So 1675.17 times 1460, because a dollar currently is about 1,460 naira. Okay, then equals. This means that in the year 2025, I earned 2.4 million naira from my YouTube channel, approximately, because this is 2,444,748 naira and 20 cents. All right, and 20 kobo. All right. So that is that. But note, not all this money was paid to me because YouTube is owned by United States. So I was taxed from this money before I was paid. But in all, I earned up to 2 million naira from my YouTube channel last year, 2025. That's important thing. Okay. You can see here the general RPM, including shorts, is 67 cents, including shorts. Then CPM, cost per mile. This is how much advertisers pay to YouTube before they give us our own cut. Okay, that means for every 1,000 views of both YouTube long form videos and shorts, advertisers pay $9.61. But I want us to filter this down so that you understand how much advertisers really pay or how much I was paid per 1,000 views on long form videos, because that is where the money is. And for us to do the filtering, I'll click here where I have filter, then I will select content type, and from the list of options, I will select videos. All right, I'll click on that and click on apply. So here you can see that the RPM, this CPM, which is how much advertisers pay for YouTube for long form videos I have here, the data is not yet available for 2025. But let's focus on the RPM, revenue per mile. That is how much I'm being paid for every 1,000 views on my long form videos. I'm not talking about YouTube Shorts here, long form videos. Okay, so per 1,000 views on my long form videos shot horizontally on this YouTube channel, I was paid $3.81. That's almost $4 for every 1,000 views on my long form videos. So that's impressive. And my long form videos earned $1,620, all right, and 80 cents for the year 2025. All right, this is the take home aspect. First thing you have to know is that YouTube content creation is a journey. All right, don't let anybody deceive you that you make money overnight, unless if you have prior skill towards that. But in all, it still takes time. All right, and the more content you build over the years, the easier it becomes for you to make money. That's the truth. Whether you are focusing on YouTube AdSense or you are selling your own product, you need audience, you need people. So it takes time to build people. All right, loyal people that will buy what you're selling, whether digital products or physical products. All right. So another thing I want to say is this: don't let anybody deceive you that you should be creating maybe one content in a week. The more input you give, the more content you put out there that solve problem, the more return you are likely to get. And be careful. Don't try to cut corner, because YouTube has a lot of tools that will help them dictate when you're doing something illegal. So Be careful here, grow your channel with time, and you will make money as time goes on. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing and see you some other time.